Hi, I'm Inez Simpson and I'm making this video to let you know that I'm starting my new boutique class on March the 1st. Now, the Simpson protocol process is a complete holistic hypnosis therapy process that can work with any issue. And this boutique class format means 4, maybe 6 people in the class to allow one-on-one attention and teaching of the complete Simpson protocol process. I've been running these classes since September 23. They last about 6 weeks, not including the certification process, which is included in the training fee. So 6 weeks, we're once a week, usually Saturday. It can be depending on the group, but mostly it's Saturdays. We meet on Zoom for about 3.5 hours to answer questions, most of all practice the different aspects of SP. We practice the first session process, and then when we have that down, we practice the second session process, which is quite different, but so effective and fast. Then we practice SP surrogate process and Pro Health, Chakra process, the S-Dale and Secord, and a lot more. This is the complete training in all aspects of SP. Then we add in a 3-month one-on-one mentoring and coaching process to lead to SP certification. Between the weekly meets, you have full access to all the resources you need with each practice session. You can practice with each other in between classes or use the SP World Forum to practice with SPers there. The SP class has always been extensive, and I found when we did it back-to-back over 6 online sessions or 4 days live, as we used to do, sometimes it was a bit overwhelming, and the students really didn't get it to absorb the process. I have found since changing it to small, very personalized classes, the students really get it. They have time to absorb, to let things sink in, and work their way through any questions or difficulties going through their process. Each class builds on the previous, so it's always new things to play with in SP. After all, if what I say is true, that once you have learned SP, you don't need any other therapy process. No matter what issue your client is dealing with, holistic I call it. And over the course of these 6 weeks, we pack a lot in and you get to learn at a very relaxed pace until it's yours. So the next class starts March the 1st at 10 a.m. Pacific. As I said, the details are in the link here and below. Small side note, I love teaching these classes this way. We really get to know each other and it brings so much joy and fun. So if you're ready, come join us.